Hello friends, so I did an inventory of my jellies and jams. I have no plum preserves, so today I am bringing you along for a super easy preserved plum recipe. So what I have in here is 10 cups of just washed and cored plums. For plum preserves, they want you to measure out the plums in halves. So there's 10 cups in here, so I am doubling the recipe. But then I'm just going to go through, and any of these really big ones, I'm going to go ahead and quarter them. So once you get them either halved or quartered, however you're wanting to do it, get your 10 cups in here, and then we are adding 8 cups of sugar. And then 2 cups of water. So now you want to get everything stirred up and make sure all that sugar is dissolved, and we are going to cook this at a high heat, rapid boil, until it reaches 220 degrees or gelling point. So I'm going to put a candy thermometer in here once I get all of that sugar. Alright guys, so completely forgot to turn on the camera once this had come up to its gelling point. So I just had a candy thermometer in the pot. Oh, and they're so beautiful. I just had the candy thermometer in the pot, and I was stirring it occasionally, making sure nothing was sticking until it reached 220. I let it sit at 220 for about 5 minutes, and then, because I really wanted a decent consistency on these, so I let them sit at 220 for about 5 minutes. And then we got them in the water bath canner. So these water bathed for 15 minutes, and they were approved for half pints. This, I was just waiting. Oh, it's stuck. I was waiting for it to cool off. It's just the liquid, and it's going to go in the fridge and just wait. And I'll use it for something like a glaze. But all you did was throw it in your half pints, 1/4 inch of headspace, and then of course wipe the rim of your jar, lid and ring fingertip tight, and then like I said, they water bathed for 15 minutes, and that's for my altitude. But they are just gorgeous. And so since these are preserves, they're not jam, they are not jelly, it is a preserve. So what I like to do, like some people don't, some people will just eat it right like this out of the jar. But for me, when I go to open a jar, I will mash everything up, and it really just gives the preserves just, I don't know, it's an amazing texture. I absolutely love it. So that's my advice to you. If you want to make preserves, that's how I do it. When I open a jar, I mash everything up. These are also great. So they're obviously very few ingredients. So sugar, plums, and water. I love using this as a base for sauce. So it's a great base for barbecue sauce. We're going to be making barbecue sauce though, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. But it's a great base for like a plum style barbecue sauce, a plum style marinade. You already have your sweetener in there. You have your tang of the plums. It's amazing. So just use your imagination. That's why I like I'll do fun stuff, and like I said, we're going to be doing some fun things this fall, canning wise, but I love having simple things on my shelf that I can transform into other things as I want, and I'm not set on just a certain condiment. So like we're going to be doing a garlic apple mustard. It's going to be amazing, but that's what it's going to be. A garlic apple mustard. Like I could add it as mustard to other stuff, but it's still mustard, where this can just turn into so many different things. You could also top this on top of ice cream. Yum! But that's all I got for you today, and I hope you enjoyed. Try it out for yourself. Plums are in season, and they are so easy to can. Skins, everything. This is all you gotta do too. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.